YouTube, what is up, guys? Welcome back to Tampa Boys Customs. Guys, Tampa Boys Customs in the city streets of Tampa. We got the new Trailmaster MB200 out here on the street for its first rip. I cleaned it all up, took that stupid fake tank off, took some other stuff off, changed the oil, cleaned the carb. I still have to do the chain alignment's way off. This one shock is bad, but we're not here to talk about the bike today. I got to do the neck bearings too. We're gonna do some ripping around Tampa streets, guys. Hope you enjoy this video. Like, comment, subscribe, man. Share this video out, guys. I do this for y'all, man. I enjoy making these videos. I have a good time hanging out on the live streams, all that good jazz. So let's get to ripping, guys, huh? Guys, while I got your attention, I've been watching this guy, Fat Buddy Cat, man. He has been building some awesome bikes. Definitely go check him out. None of these bumps. Look at all these ruts. Dude, I don't even feel none of this. This is crazy. What? There's so many ruts here. Spinning. Oh, power wire. That's a cool little spot. Ruts. I can hit that lift right there. Ooh, I can hit that. Ooh, I can definitely hit that. Oh, let me see a way to hit that. We're gonna hit that. Oh, my chain will pop off though if I do. Down here by the pond, you know the deal, folks. You know what it is. Got us a little pond out here with some duckies, you know. Let's see how muddy it is down there. It might not be muddy. I might better make it down there. Dude, the MB, I don't even feel none of these bumps, guys. Like, this is amazing. Oh, we're making it. Bearings, these neck bearings are so sketchy, man. They're really scaring me. Let's go a little deeper. Oh, I forgot this back tire is super flat, so I bet it won't even spin right now. But we got new tires coming for this bike, guys. We got new neck bearings. Hopefully got a new engine. We might modify this engine, I'm not sure. We'll hit one of them damn holes. Let's see if we can make up this big old hill right here. Oh, we made it. Like it's nothing, folks. The MB just goes over anything. Anything you throw at it. It does not care. Some more red. Probably go ahead and tire up. I really got to get those these back brakes fixed over to the right side because yeah, they don't work. The front brakes are not the best. Want to go up to the store? Oh, you jump in. Oh no. Just trying to feel out the area. There's a lot of cops right here, and I'm not really trying to get in trouble today, guys. You know, I'm trying to have some fun. You know the deal. Boys Cousins, guys. You already know. I really don't know where to go. It's just amazing. What's that downfall? Got a little pond right here. That's pretty cool. Looks like you're riding around it, you know. Mexico sure is looking pretty this time of year, ain't that for sure. Oh, we got a big old car. Let's see if the MB can take it. Oh, it's got it all day, folks, all day. Like it's nothing. I have no idea where I'm at. I'm so lost. I'm just waiting for a big drop off or something to come and take me out. Minibikes ripping around here lately. I'm trying to really find some of them because I want to see who they are and see if they ride in groups and what. Get some riding in together, man. It'd be awesome to find some new riders to come ride with us on the Tampa Bay off-road minibike group, you know? Oh, big hole. Man, the MB took it like a champ. Oh, he's doing a wheelie. Woo! Alright, let's check the bike out real quick. Make sure everything's okay. My first time riding this bike, and guys, I don't know if you can see this, but these neck bearings are gone, so I don't want to tear the bike up more than it's already tore up, you know. My throttle is pulling through. That's not good. That sucks. Okay, well, we'll deal with that later, you know. We're riding right now. We're spinning. Which way should we go? Let's like this one. Just really want to see what kind. You know what? I see a big dirt mound over there on construction site. Let's see if the MB can climb it. I'm really curious to see how it'll do. You know, because I really got this bike to take the Spider MX, you know, so. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, like a freaking champ, folks. Big hole. Oh, there's a bunch of dirt mounds here. Oh boy. Oh, this is nasty. Let's see if the MB can make it through. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, go MB, go! Oh man, like a champ! That dirt was so soft too, like that was crazy. I cannot believe it went through that. Let's hit it one more time, folks. Man, that'd be a perfect. Look at this, look how soft all this is. Like, look at that. I mean, the MB just goes right through it, guys. Just right through it, like it's nothing. Like it's nothing. A little jump there, a little lip. We got rain. Oh no, I seen it was pulling through. Oh, folks, we got a problem. We got a problem, folks. This ain't good. This ain't good. We gotta fix this real quick. Oh no. I think the cable just broke up in here. I don't know what's going on, but it's not. What is it hitting on? See? Okay, it's working. I'm gonna limp it home, guys. We're gonna limp it home, I hope. God, I hope we make it home. Yeah, it's definitely stuck. This sucks. Dang, man. First ride, I'm already screwed, man. Broke, man. There's nothing I can do. I don't have any pliers. I can't fix it on the side of the road. Plus, guys, I don't want somebody coming and trying to steal my bike. Oh, that's my street right there. Crap. I need to turn. All right, guys. I'll keep recording through it. Wow, that was super sketchy, dude. That's why I was stuck wide open, guys. Thank God for them back brakes. I grabbed them back brakes and it was enough to slow me down, you know, so thank God the brakes work. Big shout out Corey, man. The brakes work, dude. That was great, man. Because I could have been a whole lot worse.
There it is, guys. Trailmaster MB200 ripping the streets. Let me know next in the comments what you want to see done to this Trailmaster MB. We got to get this thing ready to race. We got Spider MX coming up, and then back at the Bull Ring in June. Hope to see you guys there. Make sure you got that bell on, guys. We really appreciate it. It helps out the analytics a tenfold. So hit that bell. Definitely hit that subscribe. We'll see you guys soon. Peace.